Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a power solution for a popular piece of audio gear, specifically the PK Power AC adapter design for the Dayton Audio DTA-120 class T-Mini amplifier. This isn't just any power brick. It's presented as a direct replacement or alternative power supply for that specific 60 watts per channel amplifier. Looking at the specifications, this adapter is built for global use, accepting input voltages from 100 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 Hz. This wide range means it's versatile for different regions without needing a voltage converter. A key point highlighted by the manufacturer, PK Power, is that their products are CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. This indicates compliance with various safety and environmental standards. Furthermore, they state the adapter has been tested by the manufacturer to match or even exceed the original equipment manufacturer specifications for the DTA-120. Safety is a major concern with power supplies, and this adapter includes several layers of protection. It features OVP, which is over voltage protection, preventing damage from voltage spikes. There's OCP, or overcurrent protection, safeguarding against drawing too much power. And finally, SCP, short circuit protection, which is crucial for preventing damage in case of a wiring fault. These protections are designed to keep both the adapter and the connected amplifier safe. Physically, it uses a standard barrel connector, which is typical for this type of amplifier. It's designed as a wall mount unit, keeping things tidy. The product description explicitly lists compatibility with the Dayton Audio DTA-120, assuring users it's the correct fit. The brand behind it is PK Power, and they emphasize their customer service, promising a response within 24 hours for any issues or questions. This level of support can be reassuring when purchasing third-party power accessories. Essentially, this PK Power adapter aims to provide a reliable, safe, and compatible power source for anyone needing a replacement or spare for their Dayton Audio DTA-120 amplifier. Its certifications, built-in safety features, and stated compatibility make it a compelling option for keeping that amplifier powered up and performing as expected.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.